Imagine you've been using Windows your whole life. Updates break things randomly, your system slows down over time. Ads appear inside your own operating system, and you begin to feel like you don't actually own your PC anymore. Then one day you hear about a Linux distro that's lightweight, fast, clean, respects privacy, and somehow beginners are switching to it like crazy. That's what today's video is about. We're diving deep into why so many new users are leaving Windows behind and choosing this Linux distribution, and why you might want to try it as well. So let's start from that moment when a beginner installs Linux for the first time. Maybe it's through frustration, their system crashes, Windows forces an update in the middle of work, or they're tired of paying for software that should be free. They search online, find whispers about a distro that just works out of the box, and they think, could this really replace Windows? They grab a USB, flash the ISO boot into the installer, and suddenly everything feels refreshing. Clean, smooth, no bloat, no confusion. The installer asks a few simple questions, and within minutes, they're staring at a polished desktop that feels familiar but better. This distro is becoming the gateway for newcomers because it solves the biggest fear beginners have: complexity. People think Linux is hard. They imagine terminals, commands, and hacker-style screens. But when they boot this distro, they realize Linux can be simple, modern, beautiful, and friendly. It's the distro where everything works. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, drivers, updates, App Store. It feels like a real operating system that respects the user rather than controlling them. That moment changes everything. They open the Software Center and find thousands of free apps. They install browsers, editing tools, music players, and there's no license key pop-up. No activation required, no hidden subscriptions. Just click install and you're done. For someone coming from Windows or macOS, that freedom is shocking. They realize how many restrictions they were living under without noticing. Imagine a beginner opening the settings panel. Themes, layouts, icons, tweak tools. They can personalize everything. Want a Mac OS-like dock? One click. Want a Windows-style test? Switch in seconds. Every user can shape this distro to match their workflow without digging deep into configurations. And what surprises most new users is how fast everything feels. Applications open instantly. Boot time is quick. Resource usage is low. A 5-year-old laptop feels brand new. The same hardware that felt slow under Windows now feels powerful under Linux, and beginners love that transformation. And then there's privacy. No tracking, no telemetry, no hidden data collection, a system that doesn't spy on you or advertise to you. For beginners who never thought about privacy, it's eye-opening when they discover their OS isn't monitoring what they search, install, or open. They feel ownership for the first time. They feel in control, and control is addictive. Gaming is another reason beginners switch. Yes, Linux gaming has exploded in recent years. With Proton and Steam integration, games that were once impossible now run smoothly. A beginner installs Steam, logs in, and sees a green checkmark next to many of their favorite titles. They click play and it just launches. No driver, drama, no store restrictions, and suddenly the narrative that Linux is not for gaming starts to break. Gamers try this distro and realize they can play Elden Ring, GTA, Cyberpunk, even competitive shooters, sometimes with better performance than Windows. They sit there stunned thinking, why didn't I know this earlier? But here's the real secret. Beginners aren't switching because Linux is free or fast. They're switching because Linux makes them feel empowered. Instead of being forced into an ecosystem, they are welcomed into a community. They discover forums, Reddit groups, YouTube channels, people willing to help without expecting anything in return. If something breaks, someone already solved it. Beginners love that they are not alone, they're part of something big. Another reason this distro is booming is updates, not forced, not intrusive. You decide when to update, and updates don't reinstall half the OS or take 40 minutes at shutdown. They're quick, clean, atomic, and safe. A beginner learns that they can update the system, reboot in seconds, and continue working. No drama. No data loss. No, please do not turn off your computer screen, just your device, how you want it. Software availability used to be a weakness for Linux, but not anymore. App stores include native apps, Flatpaks, snaps. A beginner can install GIMP, Blender, Obis, DaVinci, Resolve, ViscoG, Firefox, Chrome, Spotify, Discord, everything just from the store. Productivity apps, creative tools, game launchers, Office Suite, even Microsoft Office alternatives that open Word and Excel files smoothly, and YESAI tools, editors, development environments, all are supported. Beginners feel like they have unlimited software power without paying a cent. What's more impressive is that this distro doesn't slow down over time. No registry rot, no random background processes eating RAM, no mysterious updates installing drivers you didn't ask for. 6 months later, it still feels new. That reliability builds trust, and trust converts beginners into long-term users. Let's imagine a scenario. A student installs this distro on an old laptop for studying. They edit documents, browse the web, attend classes, watch videos, and everything stays stable. No lag, no overheating, no noise from the fan spinning like a jet. That laptop survives another 3 years simply because Linux revived it. The student tells a friend, the friend tells another. Word spreads. That's how beginners are switching. Not from marketing, but from real experience. Another reason beginners love this distro is that it's beautiful. Dark mode, transparency, shadows, animations. It looks modern. Some setups rival or even surpass macOS and Windows visually. A new user rises their desktop for the first time and feels proud, like they created something personal. They take screenshots, share them, customize more. It becomes fun. Computing becomes an experience, not a chore. And what about security? No viruses, no ransomware nightmares. You don't need heavy antiviruses draining your CPU. Linux is secure by design. A beginner realizes they can install software without worrying about malware hiding inside random X's. They feel softly confident. Then there's performance on low hardware. A distro like this can run smoothly on 2 to 4 gigabytes RAM machines. It breathes life into old PCs, making them usable again. Families, students, casual users, they try it and stick with it. It saves money, time, and frustration. Why buy a new laptop when Linux can optimize what you already have? And customization goes even deeper. A beginner eventually learns about extensions, tiling modes, window rules, keyboard shortcuts, automation scripts. They discover that their OS adapts to them, not the other way around. Over time, beginners who never touch tech start feeling like power users, and that journey is exciting. But the biggest reason behind this switch is freedom. Freedom from licensing restrictions, freedom from forced updates, freedom from corporate control, the realization that software can be open, transparent, community-driven sparks curiosity. Beginners feel invited to learn, explore, create. They're not locked inside a closed system. As they continue using this Linux distro, they notice small things that create big impact. Smooth scrolling, no bloatware pre-installed, no manufacturer junk apps, just a clean system. Power management improves battery life. Devs push updates faster. New features appear often. It feels alive, evolving, improving. Then the user discovers FlatHub themes, icon packs, widgets, terminal aesthetics, and they go deeper. They learn commands slowly when needed, without pressure. Over months, they become comfortable and proud of mastering something new. That satisfaction is priceless. So when people ask, why are beginners switching to this Linux distro? The answer isn't one feature. It's the experience. The easiness, performance, software availability, privacy, gaming support, customization, community, stability, all working together to create something Windows users didn't know was possible. Switching becomes not just a technical choice, but a lifestyle shift, a move toward openness, control, speed, creativity, ownership. And that's why this distro is exploding in popularity, because once beginners try it, they don't want to go back. And if you're watching this video thinking about switching, maybe this is your sign. Take that old laptop, download the ISO, boot it up, give it a day, explore, play around. You might be surprised how quickly you feel at home. And who knows, you might become one of those beginners who switched and never looked back. Linux isn't just an operating system. It's a mindset shift. It's a community. It's freedom and thousands of new users every day are discovering that for the first time.